create that uh, first. Yeah, I show first the dinosaurs I show. Okay, first make like this the basic line. I make at least the Jurassic World, the character design of Jurassic World. Okay, so these are basic things. Circle. Okay, eyes, nose. Yes, dinosaurs it is. Face, yeah, this is a face. How to create different. Actually, dinosaurs all are imagination character. No, it is. This is thousands years ago. This animals. It's no exact pictures. All artists are imagination. Okay, what is a safe can sometimes take reference from the crocodile. Sometimes reference from
So can you go a little slow?
slow. You need slow, beta.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So I make this dinosaur as a reference of crocodile with crocodile, these characters. So character designer making this human character, animals character, bird characters. When make the movie called the Rio, that time only bird design that the great artist Nathan Fuchs, one of the great artists of Disney. Nathan Fuchs are designed the lots of bird characters.
Sir, I've watched Rio.
Sorry, beta.
I've watched Rio.
Rio, yeah, it's amazing. No, this is
Yes,
really
sir.
there's all the parrots and others birds, and this is a really great design of tree and this. Sometimes all birds are get together and yeah.
I was I only watched half of the movie because like I don't know, I'm not sure, but is the movie really long?
Yeah, dinosaurus character, dinosaurus character. Yeah, slow. What to say? Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
so I just make it. You can use a pen or something dark line. So we are creating little detailing, not much more. Yeah, you can make them. You can use this markers or something, and yeah, take paint. Not paint, just make it the outline with the. Uh, yes. Go. Take pen here. Come on. We are making. This is a jawline. Can start, beta. Like this. This is actually imagination character. I use this normal. Uh, this is the whiteboard marker, right? Yes, yeah. So I create that same characters but a different angle. Okay, same characters how looks in different angle. Okay, like this. First make this rough pencil line, then circle. Okay, and this is the nose line, this is the eyes line. Nose line, eyes line. So this eyes line, we are creating eyes. Okay, and this is the nose. We are creating this nose. This is nose. Yes, you have to draw. I see this is the eyes line, this eyes line.
But I'm still doing the dinosaur.
Okay, okay, take time, beta. No problem, take time. Character designer are creating, very random, whatever in my mind just came. Sometimes my imaginations, sometimes I need the reference of crocodile or okay, chipkali. What is called that in English in chipkali?
Lizards.
Lizard, yeah, yeah. Sometimes this is some lizard face I imagine and I do this. So this is a characters came front. It look like it came front, right? Like this. I show the body also, but here I show only this uh, face expression, the same characters, how looks in the front, sides and 3/4 angle. All drawings start from the circle. Just non-stop move your hand. I see this June new movie come, the Jurassic Park 3 something or 2 something like that. I see the Netflix this advertisement.
There is also a new. There is also new Doctor Strange movie.
Yeah, you see this advertisement? Some
Yeah,
advert.
did you see Spider-Man No Way Home?
Yeah, Spider-Man. What? Two.
No Way Home.
No, 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 no. I not see. What's the name? Spider-Man. Back home.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man No Way Home.
Okay, okay. I should see.
There is the new movie of Spider-Man that just came.
Okay. I like the Spider-Man. Uh, all movies are very fantastic. You know, like amazing. The game also amazing.